Hi everybody! Today we are going to be making taco pizza. To make our taco pizzas today, we are going to be using this Ortega taco pizza kit. So on the back of the package, it tells us to preheat our oven. We got our oven preheating, and it says we're going to brown a half a pound of ground beef and stir in the water and taco seasonings and heat until thickened. It tells us to put the crust in the oven for 3 to 5 minutes. So we're going to follow the directions on the back of this package, and we're going to add our toppings. So the package actually has 2 crusts in it, and we're going to be making 2 pizzas today. For our pizzas today, we are going to be using this 4-cheese Mexican cheese blend. We also have some chopped onions that I'm going to be adding in with my ground beef. And I have my ground beef, which is the half a pound of ground beef over here. I'm also going to be using these traditional refried beans on my pizza today. Okay, so while we have our meat on, I wanted to show you some of the topping choices. You can use what you like, but this is, I'm actually not going to use all this. This is just some suggestions. But I have some sour cream, which I'm probably going to be using. We have salsa verde, which is good. We have the chamoy, which is good. The tahini, we actually have the tahini sauce. We have the powder too, but I think the sauce will probably taste good on that. But I have me some salsa. It has loads of cilantro in it. This is some good salsa. It's medium. And I also have some diced jalapeno peppers. You can use jalapeno peppers if you want fresh ones, but I think I'm gonna put a little bit of the diced ones in with my ground beef. Okay, so I just wanted to tell y'all that I got this 6-pack of Old El Paso refried beans from Sam's Club for $1.50. Yes, $1.50 for 6 cans. So I went ahead and started my ground beef to cooking. I'm gonna add a big spoonful of onions to it. I am not going to add any salt to my meat today. I have the seasoning packet that I will be adding, so I'm not adding any salt. However, I am going to be adding a teaspoon of onion powder and a teaspoon of garlic powder. This is how the 2 crusts look when I remove them from the packet. They are corn based. I am getting ready to spray them with olive oil spray, and I'm going to put them in the oven for 3 to 5 minutes. This is the seasoning packet that came with the pizza crust, and this is the sauce that came with it. I am going to stir in my seasoning packet with 1/3 cup of water. I should have my wooden spoon. But anyway, we're going to get it put together. Y'all, my son just won the math bee for his class. He's in 5K, and he beat out all the other students in his class in the math bee. And so now he's going to have to go to school on Friday so he can participate in the math bee for the school. I'm very proud of him. He loves math. I'm so glad that he won because he loves math so much. Okay, those are my pizza crusts. They are ready. And I'm going to take those out and I will be back. Before I start doing my pizza, I'm going to actually stir in a little bit of these jalapeno peppers. Just a little, y'all. I love the flavor. I love a little bit of the heat. So yeah, that's just a little bit. I know y'all probably saying I could have left that out. I am going to add some of this sauce that came in the packaging. I'm going to add it to the crust. And I'm also going to add a little bit of my beans. I'm going to spread this out. Because the packaging, the only thing that it says to do now is just to divide the meat between the crust. But you can add your own toppings, of course. And I love refried beans. Love. Now I'm going to add my meat mixture. Next, I'm going to add the cheese. Comment below if you have ever tried these taco kits. These be really fun for the kids to do with you. Now, little Marvin, he does not like tacos. No, he does not like Mexican food. He does not like tacos. The only thing he likes from Taco Bell are the little cinnamon twists. He likes those. And other than that, And my daughter got some cinnamon twists. She actually got some from Taco Bell on yesterday. And they were horrible. They were so old, y'all. It didn't make no sense. I was like, why would someone even serve those? They had to been up there for hours. The bag was waxy. I taste one, and it tastes like casserole was on it. It was so nasty. I had to spit up. It made me gag. Okay, so I'm gonna put these in the oven. The oven is on 425, and it says for 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna set the timer for 8 minutes, and then we're gonna check them and see and if they're ready, and then we'll be back. The pizzas are ready. They look delicious. I'm getting ready to plate them up. Y'all see that little crusty cheese on the side? But I'm getting ready to plate them up, and I will be back. It smells really good. I'm back, guys. So I'm gonna top this off today with a little bit of lettuce, just a little bit. I'm gonna put some more cheese on top of it, and some tomatoes. I diced up some tomatoes. I'm gonna put a little bit of tomatoes up there. And a little bit more cheese. And I like raw onions. So, and I do like them on my taco and burritos. So I'm gonna put a little bit of raw onions up there. Now, feel free to add what you want to add to yours. So I decided that I'm gonna add some of this chamoy to mine. So we're gonna put some chamoy. You can add just some salsa, some pico, whatever you want to yours. I like the flavor of chamoy, y'all. And I'm also gonna add, get my spoon, add me a little bit of sour cream right on top of that chamoy. Put me a dollop. There we go. What you watch? What's up, guys? Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a blessed and beautiful day, and don't forget to spread love. Turn on your TV screen. Turn on your phone. Turn on your laptop. We watching Bless Roll Show. Cook is what she like to do. Stay here if you like it too.